Conditional replace pandas. I have a data frame, and I want to replace the values in a particular column that exceed a value with 0. I had thought this was a way of achieving this. If I copy the channel into a new data frame, it's simple. This does exactly what I want, but seems not to work with the channel as part of the original data frame.
Try. Note, since version 0.20.0, 9 has been deprecated in favor of lock/ilock.
.9 indexer works okay for Pandas version prior to 0.20.0, but since Pandas 0.20.0, the .9 indexer is deprecated, so you should avoid using it. Instead, you can use .loc or ilock indexes. You can solve this problem by or in one line. Mask helps you to select the rows in which df.my_channel is greater than 20,000 is true, while df.loc, a mask, column_name, equals 0 sets the value 0 to the selected rows where mask holds in the column which name is column_name. Update. In this case, you should use loc because if you use iloc, you will get a note implemented error telling you that ilocation-based Boolean indexing on an integer type is not available.
np.where function works as follows. In your case, you would want
The reason your original data frame does not update is because chained indexing may cause you to modify a copy rather than a view of your data frame. The docs give this advice. When setting values in a Pandas object, care must be taken to avoid what is called chained indexing. You have a few alternatives. LOC plus Boolean indexing. LOC may be used for setting values and supports Boolean masks. Mask plus Boolean indexing. You can assign to your series, or you can update your series in place. np.where plus Boolean indexing. You can use NumPy by assigning your original series when your condition is not satisfied. However, the first two solutions are cleaner since they explicitly change only specified values.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.